I gotta start. What's it called?
Pacific.
Pacific's a step down from Band of Brothers.
That's what I've heard. But did you see they came out with that new one?
It's the sexy Elvis actor.
He's like a guy who has the hiccups for the rest of his life. Like, he can't shake that voice.
He's
a
like a
little too
sexier
clean.
Top Gun.
Putting Elvis in that is hilarious, though. What's his name? Austin Butler?
Yeah.
Get
Deep
the
as
fucking
fuck.
Krauts.
Yeah.
Get the Krauts, boys.
Oh God. Oh Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Krauts.
They just sent a hunk of burning
Boys.
love at us.
Boys, in your foxholes now.